A very warm welcome to all of you. I hope you all enjoyed Janmashtami, but surely not like other years. I know how difficult it is to be locked up in the homes, especially when it's festive time. But no worries. Dignity is here to make you happy. And I assure that you will celebrate each and every moment. Today, you are going to see two beautiful live performances created by our own Chai Masti members. As Batch 1 of Dignity Theatre, Batch 2 also enjoyed a lot. In few weeks of the time, they have learned to write a script, act impactful, direct a play, and produce a performance. Dignity Foundation is grateful to Mr. Sumit Leroy for training both the batches under Dignity Theatre workshops. All the participants and team are grateful to our beloved Dr. Shilu Srinivasan for creating this opportunity to learn something new. With lots of fun and productive engagement, and it's a happy moment that she is here to see the performances. I welcome Dr. Shilu Srinivasan to grace this event with her encouraging words and wishes.
Kusum, thank you very much. This is a moment of great suspense for me, even though I have seen 1 minute, 2 minute performances of this theatre group here and there. In totality, the impact that you are going to make through the Panchatantra tales is definitely a very suspenseful moment for me. Don't want to take more time. Lovely to see 212 people already come into the Zoom. Thank you very much. Have a very pleasant experience watching our dignitarians perform live on theatre.
Now the platform is open for your feedbacks, your suggestions.
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, please.
Kumar here. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, we can.
It is wonderful. Actually, I have seen such practice in some people really, and it works out. Instead of just talking to each other personally, just fixing a note and just asking somebody to say without the relationship, it goes off. It has been explained wonderfully that writing and just pasting on somebody when he is not available and looking for the reaction is not good. Instead of that, we can just openly tell each other so that the love can definitely grow. It is wonderful, wonderful. My sincere appreciations to the people who have made it. Thank you.
Nagaraj.
Yeah, Nagaraj.
Shall I speak?
Yes.
Yeah, it was a very good skit with short skit with message, lot of message for the today's youngsters. Okay, and moreover, today people are talking through mobile phones, through messages. Okay, and whatever was demonstrated was through notes, and that was some time back. Now everything is through messages. These is also really not good. So sometime or the other, people have to talk to each other and socialize with each other. And a wonderful message from Dignity Foundation through these short skits. I remember this type of notes, created a big problem in one of the couples. Okay, the husband and wife are not talking, or they were talking through only notes, sticking notes. So one day, the husband wanted to go to Delhi at 6 o'clock flight. He wrote a note and then asked his, please wake me up at 4 o'clock in the morning. The wife got up at 4 o'clock and said, it is 4 o'clock, please get up. And when the husband got up, it was already 8 o'clock. So he had missed the flight. So this is the problem with talking through notes. So wonderful message. Thank you very much. Thank you for the team and wonderful acting. And thank you, Dignity.
Thank you, Nagraj.
So, Harish Sujan from Bombay. Can I say
Harishji. Yeah.
Excellent performances, but above that, the the advice given was really down to earth and which can save a lot of marriages if practiced.
Yeah.
That's all I want to say.
Thank you, Harish ji. KG
God
by Raman.
Yes,
Yes.
I enjoyed the idea that the play is centered on people not talking face to face, but exchanging notes as a matter of convenience. And the climax, I think, should have been stressed a bit more, some emphasis. Meet me at the fridge at 8 o'clock or something like that, which was an excellent joke. I enjoyed it thoroughly. Very good idea. I think with a little more application, this can be expanded further to make it really hilarious.
Yeah. Thank you, Raman ji. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Hello.
DK Subramaniam ji.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Subramaniam.
Yes.
Acting was very natural, and the way they started it and ending was very good. As he says, it could have been extended some more time also with some nice jokes.
It was very short.
Yeah. Thank you for your suggestion. Thank you so much. We'll keep it in mind for next time. Jay Lakshmi ji. Yeah, go ahead.
The story was a very simple and sweet story, which usually happens, and the performance were done very nicely. I remember even in my son's house, I see the fridge, there are many small stickers kept, like it was written, my daughter-in-law had told, please pay the electricity bill, like that, and my son had to come and he sees the fridge first when they were working, like before the lockdown. So I remembered that when I was seeing this play, very, which happens in day-to-day life, but of course they are in good terms only, no problem, but they do all this writing and keeping on the fridge, like, and the actors have done nicely, and really I enjoyed the play.
Thank you, Jay Lakshmi ji. Now, Padmanaman ji.
My daughter-in-law keeps little notes ticked in her fridge, and she's got important phone numbers and stuck on the fridge, and little memory cards. And you get these cards nowadays which you can erase once your task is done. But it's an excellent idea.
Yeah.
I hope everybody uses that.
Yeah. Thank you, Benita ji. Thank you so much. Now we'll take one more feedback, only one more, because we have another play also. So yeah, Habil ji, go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah. It was a good play, simple and sweet, very nice message. Oh, fine. But actually, to tell you, in this play, it was good advice, counseling, and everything went okay. But in reality, I have some couples who have never been able to come to terms throughout the life. And the stage came to the divorce. In reality, it is very difficult that ego comes in the way, and I have got 2-3 couples in my mind. My friend only and his wife never spoke. Even hill station began, they never spoke. I don't know. I mean, something. So this is what I feel. This is my thing. This is a very nice message. Oh, fine, everything. But in reality, it does not happen that way.
Okay, Habil ji. Thank you for your sharing. This was our second performance. I hope you all enjoyed it.
It was very interesting, very interesting, and the story and the role play by each and everyone was super. Thank you for presenting this. Wonderful,
wonderful performance, wonderful performance, and Joshi ji and all other characters, they really enthralled with their talents.
Yes.
Wonderful.
We really enjoyed.
Hello.
All are very excited.
Harish Sujan from Bombay. Harish Sujan.
Yes, Harish ji. Yes. Go ahead.
Very good acting.
Very
nice. Very nice. Very nice.
I don't want to become famous. I don't want to commit suicide because my wife makes me dance on her fingertips. But one advice I have for every actor. One advice I have for every actor on Dignity Talent is make sure that the camera is not facing your, the light is not facing your camera. The camera should always be behind the, light should be behind the camera.
Okay.
The gentleman.
Very nice play. Really enjoyed the play and everybody acted so nicely. Yogesh ji was so good and the dance master and the yoga master really had so much I laughed.
Thank you. I know all of you want to share your thoughts, your views, and I hope you enjoyed a lot.
Very
before
nice.
that, I would like to have a formal vote of thanks. Can we have a formal vote of thanks, please? Yeah, let me share gratitude first, then we can all speak. Dear members, thank you so much for coming and spending your time with us.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed both performances of Dignity Theatre Season 2. Thank you all Dignity Theatre Season 2 participants for joining the second batch and learning new things. You are inspiration for others. I am extending gratitude towards Mr. Sumit Roy for his training sessions and all-time support. Special thanks to Dr. Shilu Srinivasan for keeping this event's energy high with her impactful presence. Thanks to Dr. Sujay Joshi, Mr. Javed Sheikh, and Mr. Rajesh Meher for their support. Now the platform is open and you can share your views, your feelings, your thoughts, feedbacks. Please come on stage.
Hello. Can I speak now?
Yes, Habilji, yes, go ahead.
It was excellent.
Can we please have
so good,
more like
and
this?
Yogesh was superb. And everybody, psychiatrist and the dancer, master, teacher, really. And it took a turn to the life, you know. He wanted to commit suicide and yes, now he enjoyed life. Very nice.
Thank you. Nirmala, you want to say something? Yeah. Who's there? Rajapanji, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. See, one important message what we got from the play, whenever you get depressed, whenever you got the tension and other things, divert your attention to positive thinking. Instead of brooding over the old things and the problems, get away from that, divert yourself to some other activity, you will be relieved. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Rajapanji. Yes, Neeramji. Yes, Nirmalaji. Yeah, you go ahead, then Shri Ramji can speak. Yes, Nirmalaji.
Both the plays are wonderful and they give wonderful message. The first message is that have our friends, they are a wonderful person who can give us the guidelines. And the second is also gives the message, at least in this stage, it is only the friends and our hobbies which are the main people. So,
thank you, Nirmalaji. Now Shri Ramji and then Indiraji. Yes, Shri Ramji, go ahead.
I thoroughly enjoyed this skit. It was very interesting and the topic was very nice. And the Yogesh acting was superb. And so also the singing therapist. But only I got one suggestion for the script writer. He goes to the psychologist and she said, if you commit suicide, the police will come and arrest her. This is not the scenario now. And no psychiatrist will say like that. It should be a positive one. So that sentence can be removed. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Shri Ramji. I am so glad that you have really meaningful suggestions. I would invite you for third batch of Dignity Theatre. so we can have a great place ahead.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, Kusumji.
Yes. Yes, Nagraj. Yeah.
So it was a wonderful play with again one more beautiful message. And what message it gave is that whenever anybody who is a member of Dignity Foundation is depressed and is having anxiety and other things, he can always rest upon other Dignity member friends, the family friends, so that all his depression will be removed. Okay? And this is one beautiful example that the Dignity Foundation is there to remove and help each other and rest on their shoulders any of their family members.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nagraj ji. Yeah. Indira ji, yes, go ahead.
हाँ जी, सबसे पहले मैं ये कहना चाह रही हूँ कि ऐसे महसूस हुआ जैसे बिल्कुल आप सामने स्टेज पर देख रहे हैं सब कुछ, बहुत मजा आया। और जो पहले वाला प्ले था उसमें मैं ये कहना चाह रही हूँ कि इस एज में भी कभी कभी एक दूसरे से नाराज नहीं होना है। अगर कुछ देर बोलचाल बंद हो, एक बोलना शुरू कीजिए एक दूसरे से, कभी लंबा मत खींचिए। खामखा अब ये उम्र अपने को जलाने के लिए नहीं है।
Right. Now G.K. Subramaniam ji, then Kumar ji, then Raghupati ji. Okay, G.K. Subramaniam ji.
Yes, both the plays have been written well and directed and played also well by all the actors. It has been a good message from both. From the first play that you should not be just writing slips, keep meeting and keep socializing among yourselves and exchange your thoughts and sort out all your differences. The second one, it is in whenever you're depressed, you look to your friends for sorting out your problems. They will always be helpful. They'll come out with some solutions for you. So that is a great message from this. And I really appreciate the writer and director for choosing such wonderful messages for these plays.
Yeah, thank you, Subramaniam ji. Yes, Kumar ji, Kumar K.
Thank you, Kusum ji. And actually, it is a wonderful thing. And within a short duration, they have just explained a very great idea. And it gives sort of a courage and confidence in people like me also to just try acting.
Thank you, Kumar ji.
Thank you very much.
Yes,
Raghupati ji. Told that never.
Raghupati ji, you can speak.
Yeah. I thanks to Mr. Sumit Roy, the first batch and the second batch, all inner characters. He has brought such a fantastic skill from all senior citizens. We cannot imagine that we can do all this much. So first, thanks to Sumit Roy. The first and second play, both are good. One is short, very short. Second one has brought a lot of thinking in our mind. Many seniors are undergoing like this. So there is something seriously to think about it. It is a very, very suitable theme. And the actors super, very well performed. Hats off to them. And I think more and more theatre groups can form. And all these 1, 2, 3 and all joined together, we can make a very grand success also. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Raghupati ji.
Kusum ji, finally, I would like to say something after everybody says.
Yeah. Now, Shiva Rudra.
Yeah, it was apart from all the comment that is made by our other friends, I found that technically this has been picturized very beautifully. If you see the screens and the music, the curtains, okay, the titles, if you see technically, if you see the picturizing of these was probably done very well. I would appreciate anybody who have put efforts to really do that. That's a very, apart from choosing the theme, story, presenting it, acting, like Mr. Joshi acted superbly. Okay, superbly. So that is apart from that, I would hats off to the technical team who did it wonderfully. I would really had my hats off to them. Very good, very good.
Thank you so much. Now,
I am Juhi, gerontologist.
Okay.
Can I speak?
Yes, please.
Yeah. I am having a problem with my connection. Yeah, I am with Thane Dignity since last 5 to 6 years. And this kind of skit is a wonderful performance. I am from Tata Institute of Social Sciences, and each and every member, their enthusiasm teaches us something. You know, all throughout, it's a very motivating thing what you all dignitarians are doing. Each and every chapter from all over India, and about the performances today, no words, speechless. They were superb. This kind of people show that lockdown, no lockdown, COVID, no COVID, nothing stops them from living a good life. So hats off, excellent job, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Julie ji.
Thank you.
Yes. Raman ji,
Yeah, very shortly. I congratulate Sri Yogesh ji for excellent acting. Never seen such a real performance. Excellent. Hats off to him. We wish to see more of him in future plays.
Enjoyed both the plays, very well scripted, and every actor has given a very good performance, and the way the whole production has been excellent. And in this respect, I have to thank Mr. Sumit Roy for bringing out the talent of the dignitarians.
Alka ji.
Pushkala. Okay. All I would like to say is to thank our Dignity Foundation for giving us this opportunity to perform on Dignity platform. And I would like to thank Mr. Sumit Roy for his, excellent efforts in training us technically also. And we learned to write the script also. We learned so many things through him. And above all, I would like to thank Kusum also, because she has given us great support on this. And thank to all the audience for coming together and watching us performing very patiently. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Pushkala ji. Thank you.
And I too would like to add my thanks to everyone who has supported us through it, and especially Sumit ji, and no less Kusum. And the cast were very enthusiastic to come for each and every practice. It was wonderful team effort. Thank you. God bless us all.
Thank you. Thank you, Revati ji.
Yamuna Subramaniam.
Yes. Yeah, Yamuna ji.
Yamuna ji. Where is she? Can't see.
Yeah, I would like to say that both the plays had a very good motivation. And the proof of that Dignity Foundation and the friends we got from them really did prove. I think Kashi will endorse my statement by saying that yesterday we had a small program from our Mylapore group. To be very frank, all of the people except one or two were hesitating and said that, oh, we can't sing, we can't participate, we can't talk. So there was a very nice motivation, and the coordinators insisted that everyone should participate. It is like a school. You have to participate. So that compulsion really made people to come out. Just like the psychologist played a very nice role in saying, Joshi, just thoda dance karo, thoda gana gao, aise. So so I say that Dignity Foundation, in a way, is really helping people to, in their later years, something like in our senior citizen, as senior citizen, we find a depression coming really little too often. If we don't talk to anybody, we do feel depressed. So that is really alleviated by Dignity Foundation. So in turn, what are the role of other dignitarians and dignitarian members? What they should do is, at least for after witnessing 3 or 4 or 5 plays and our performances during this lockdown, you might have understood that we are really doing something really nice. So why don't every one of you, each one of you, whether you participate or not participate, please try to raise some nominal fund or some money so that it goes to the benefit of all the senior citizens. We are not only the senior citizen who should get benefit. Everyone should get the benefit. And that is my something like aaj ka request. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm sure every one of you will endorse this point and help. And how to do that, that will be explained by Kusum, Madam Sheila or Sujay Joshi, how you can participate and how you can contribute. That should come. And it comes from our heart. Okay. This is our duty, I would say.
Yes. Thank you, Yamuna ji. Thank you so much. Suraj ji, you want to say something?
Yeah, I have been actually, I have been wanting to say, but I think it took so much of time that many people have covered what I wanted to say. Anyway, I definitely feel that it has been a very good action from the Dignity and very well followed by Sumit ji. By arranging this kind of a thing, we become famous, we interact. So both your plays cover that. The concept of the second play was also very nice, a little unusual and yet hidden in many people's minds and hearts. So when people come forward for theatre, automatically they become famous. They become famous. Well, it has been very good effort from Shiluji, Srinivasan also. And everyone acted very well. And well, there is always scope. We always can improve. But yes, we should encourage people to come and watch it. Watch our plays so that people get more confidence and we raise funds for the noble cause of welfare for which we are doing all that. Thank you so much, Kusum. You are doing wonderful work. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Surajji. Yeah. Next, yes, Dr. Sujay Joshi.
Yeah, thank you. First of all, congratulations to all the participants of season 2. Superb acting and really enjoyed it thoroughly. And I can see, how this theatre's concept is evolving. From season 1 to season 2. Season 1, people are now doing a bigger thing. Panchatantra tales. Yeah, I'm quite excited. And I think today we have forwarded all of you a long WhatsApp, appeal for the Panchatantra tales. So I again, reiterate that please forward it to all your friends and families in India as well as abroad. And all the links are given clearly. Another next 2 months, the Ganotsav is there. This is the festive of giving. India has a culture of giving, to underprivileged. So I think each one of us, a small contribution from each one of us can be a big support to underprivileged senior citizens. So thank you so much. And another thing I want to say is that, month on month at head office, we are trying our best, to bring some exciting events every month, with all of your support and great participation. So now the next event will be on 30th September and 1st October. That is, we are celebrating International Day of Older Persons. It's a major event. I hope you remember last year's event also. The moment this theatre season is over, you all are going to get a video appeal from my side, and there we are throwing one more challenge to all our members, and I'm sure that will be equally entertaining with the next month's events also. So once again, thank you everyone, and thank you Sumit ji and all the participants and members, and of course Dr. Shilu Srinivasan. Thank you again. Thank you.
Directly.
I would like to thank Dr. Shilu Srinivasan so much
that I have not dreamt that I will be acting in Zoom or anything. And I would wish others to join so that they will become more confident, and then they can go forward also and they can fulfill their dreams. That is my wish.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, go ahead. Malti Kannanji.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Starting from you, Kusum.
Yeah.
You are a big link. And Sheila Madam, of course. But for her, how I have spent my time in the past few months, it's a real credit to her. And now, of course, added to it comes in Sumit Ji, and taking us to a different level. I'm so happy. And let's see how best we can get people to join in and do the contribution also. I am trying my best to take it across to people. Let's see how we can go, how far. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can we end with the hip hip hurrah?
Yes.
To Dignity Foundation and our dear Shilu Srinivasan, may we grow from strength to strength and touch the Himalayan heights.
Wow.
Hip, hip, hooray.
Wow.
Hooray. That was awesome. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.